Hello everybody, it's Helen here from the BRC, and what I wanted to do was to take a few minutes to look back over the whole of 2013 and into next year. It's been a hugely exciting and challenging time for retail, but let's start with that real multi-million-dollar question: how was Christmas 2013? Christmas is really a very important time for many retail businesses. We as shoppers buy almost twice as much in the month of December as we do in any other month of the year. That's equivalent to about £40 billion. And it means that retailers need to invest lots of energy in making sure at this crucial time of year that they've got exactly what you want to buy available when you want it. So how did it go this year? Well, we won't really know the answer to that until all the numbers are in and we see the sales figures for the whole of the month in the beginning of January. Our BRC numbers are out on the 10th. But what we do know is that Christmas always comes and that it is never quite the same in any particular year. What we have seen though is that footfall, so people out in our high streets and in our town centres and on websites, has increased and built up slowly during the course of the month on the back of consumers feeling a little bit more confident as they enter into their Christmas gift buying. What we've also seen is that competition is really intense from retailers to try and get you into their shops and onto their websites. And what that means is that they are needing to be really competitive on price, on the emotional connection that they are making with you, and making sure that they're offering value for money. Consumers are feeling a little bit more positive about the outlook. The confidence levels are up, but that recovery is still fragile. People are still concerned about how much money they have actually got in their pockets. And so they have been cautious around their Christmas spending, and that has meant we've seen a slow but steady build-up right up to the lead up to Christmas Day. And retailers have had to respond to that by ensuring that they have the right stock available, because we've been leaving our shopping later and later. That's particularly the case if we look at what's happening online. Online is becoming a bigger and bigger proportion of retail sales, and if we look outside the food sector, that is nearly 20% of our spending. Retailers have been investing really heavily in making sure they are offering the flexibility around things like click and collect, next day delivery, and the success of that has meant that people have been able to wait longer to leave things later in the lead up to that crucial Christmas Day. It's been a hugely exciting year, and I think 2014 provides much more opportunity, both from an industry point of view and from the BRC's role as the trade association for retailers. So I'd just like to end and say thank you very much to everybody, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and all the best for 2014.